In this video, I will show how to compute the area between the graph and the x-axis. So in this case, we're looking for the total area, which is different from the net area. So in order to understand what's going on here, let's sketch the graph of this curve. So we have an upside down parabola 1 minus x squared that looks something like this, and we're considering it on the interval from -1 to 2. So that means part of this region will be above the x-axis and part of the region will be below the x-axis. So the integral that represents the area above x-axis is the following. It's from -1 to 1 of 1 minus x squared dx. Now, if I just write the integral from 1 to 2 of 1 minus x squared dx, then the value of this integral will be negative because the entire region is below the x-axis. So in order for me to count that negative area as positive, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract it from the first integral. So this is the expression for the total area of the region from -1 to 2. So we have two integrals to evaluate, and we're going to use the fundamental theorem of calculus for each one. So we're going to find the antiderivative of 1 minus x squared, which is x minus 1/3 x cubed. And for the first integral, we're going to evaluate it between -1 and 1. For the second integral, we're going to evaluate it between 1 and 2. So we get this. So this is the value of the first integral, and here I'm going to write the value of the second integral. And now we just have to compute this arithmetic expression. So we have 1 minus 1/3, which is 2/3, minus we have -1 plus 1/3, which is -2/3, and here we have 2 minus 8/3, which is -2/3, minus we have 1 minus 1/3, it's 2/3, so we have this, and 2/3 minus -2/3 is 4/3. Here we have -2/3 minus -2/3 is -4/3, and we have 4/3 minus -4/3 is 8/3. So the total area between the given curve and the x-axis is 8/3.